Hi, I'm Roni. I invite you to join me for a delicious A Taste of India class and awaken your taste buds. I spent 1 year living and traveling across India. It's one of my favorite places in the world. The people, the markets, the culture, the food. In this class, we are going to make some of my favorite recipes that I learned in my time in India. What are we going to make? How to make garam masala from scratch, no butter masala, vegetable biryani, palak tofu, aloo paratha, cilantro mint chutney, tomato ginger chutney, cucumber mint raita, coconut masala chai, and mango lassi.